Okay, I just gave my Mk8 Volkswagen GTI a full-blown detailing. This is probably the cleanest this is gonna be in a very long time. I mean, I went through absolutely everything on it. It's polished, everything. Wheels, got the full treatment all the way around, including calipers, everything. So I really love this little car. It's so fun to drive. Interior, wish you could smell it. It smells so amazing. Vanilla aroma. So probably the last time this will be this clean for 6 to 8 months, because I don't know when the next time I'll have 5 hours to get it full detailing in on this. But there she is.